Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, just need to do something. No, that. Yeah. So today I am going to teach you how some hacks. No, not hacks again. How to wait, what? How to be a pro on Bee Swarm Simulator really fast. And if you don't know this game, it is like collect pollen, hatch egg, bees. And yeah, so I'm already rich, but I'll show you how to get rich. Okay, so first, when you first start, you need to collect a hive, and then it'll let you get your first ever egg. When you hatch it, you go to Black Bear, and look, you're supposed to get like a silver egg first, and then a golden one, and then a diamond one, and then a mythical one, and then a star one. So, yeah, and then it'll give you tasks, but I am not done mine. And after you do all those tasks, you will get those eggs. You hatch them, and then, oh, wait, my friend's here. Hi. So, first, after that, oh my gosh, guys, sorry. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. And then after that you would need to upgrade, and when they give you a royal jelly, you go to your hive, you click on the egg, sorry guys, I'm still so sorry. You go down, if you have one like jelly, you put it on there, but I'm just gonna have this basic egg I made like last time, but I don't have it anymore. I don't have it anymore. But for the tickets, you can make more. Guys, I'm so sorry, my friend is here. I didn't mean for her to. What the heck? Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, okay. So, what are gids? What? Wait, what? Oh. hello to her. So guys, this is my friend Denicia. She wasn't here for a few days in school, and now she just joined me because I was playing a game and I was doing. And now she's saying hi to YouTube, guys. Say hi to her. Okay guys, that's it of the video. I'll make a